In this video, I'd like to show you how to get to our reading assignments and how to submit them. So first thing, we should be in Schoology. And here at our opening page, right away you can see our assignments are right here and when they're going to be due. On Wednesday, that's when Dr. Know-All Part 1 Reflection is due, and same with Part 2. On Sunday, quadrilaterals, that sheet will be due. Now, we'll go to our courses, click on our class, and here you can again submit from this area, but if you need to, you can always go back. Right now we're on Unit 6, and here you'll see the 3 stories we're working on. Yes, Wolf and Fox will be the next one, but right now we're on Dr. Know-All. So I'm going to click on Dr. Know-All, and here you can see we have the screenshots I took of our story, and here is the first reflection. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up here the directions. After reading Part 1, you will complete this. It says attach assignments by viewing questions, then answering them on lined paper or by typing in Word. I'm going to fix this. I found a better way. So here I've already submitted it, but I can also resubmit it. So before I do that, I need to know what I'm doing. So I will click on the PDF of the assignment. And here you will see the page, and it tells us to read the paragraphs and give key story events. If you don't have the ability to print this out, all you have to do is use lined paper. Make sure that you give the title of the question. You would write key story events, and then you would just write them. Here, again, below that, you would just write summary and write in your answer. Here on this one, you might just put problem number 3 and then just say which letters you chose. There's also a second page here, and that would be done on a separate piece of paper. Actually, if you can, the back side would be great to save paper. After you have finished these, you need to submit them. So we will go back to where we were, and that is simply just pressing the back button, or if it's opened up here in Acrobat, you just close it. And here we will click Submit Assignment. So I will click that. And here you have a few options. We can upload if you wrote it and are able to scan it or took a picture and uploaded that. You would click on this one here that says File. And then from here, you would choose the file that you would like to submit. Or you have the option of recording it. So if you click on this little microphone, you can click and give audio only or audio and video. We would do audio and video. You have to allow it to use your camera and microphone. And then you would start recording and you would give a verbal answer. If you wrote it on paper, you can also show. I didn't want you to keep looking at my handsome face here, but you would show your answer whether it was on a phone or on paper, which is preferable, and then you would submit that. You can also, if you want, click on this tab called Create, and here you can actually type your responses in this, and then you would click Submit, or if you need to pause, you can save it as a draft. Once all of that is finished, you would then click Submit. submit. Oh, it says you must upload at least one file. So in that case, we should have clicked on our recording, or we would have uploaded the file that we used. Start recording. Hey, I did my homework. And then we would upload. Oh, that's a good picture of me. Ooh. Insert recording. And we are finished. If you have questions, you can always email me, and I really appreciate you doing your work.